Okay, now one of the innovative drive assist systems that Alpine is introducing for 2010 is the Top View system. Now this is a prototype, but what we brought this for is to show some of the innovations that we're doing in the drive assist arena. Now as you can see, this camera system actually allows you a top view, 360-degree view around the car. And the way it does that is with 4 cameras that mount on the front, rear, and sides of the car, and a processing module that actually stitches all those images together to make it look like you're looking straight down on the top of the car while you're driving. This is great for parking situations or driving because you can see a full 360-degree view around the car at all times. Now we're going to show you the Prius up next. We're going to show you how this system actually works. This is our 2010 demo vehicle. This is a Toyota Prius, and what we're showing is our Top View drive assist system. Now this uses 4 cameras all the way around the car, and on this monitor over here I can see what's showing on the dash. So as I walk around the vehicle, this system will pick up the movement all the way around in a 360-degree complete view. Now it does that using 4 cameras. There's one on each side mirror, there's one on the front of the car, and then there's an additional camera on the back. And it seams those images together and shows me one complete view so I can see all the way around the car at all times.